Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment and grabbing a model. Create a virtualenv, install Python packages, and set up GPU drivers. This reduces runtime friction. Once done, install PyTorch with the proper CUDA version and pip install transformers, diffusers, and accelerate. Then choose a reliable diffusion checkpoint and download its weights into a models folder. You're acting now, environment, dependencies, then model files. This gets you from 0 to an executable base without delay. Now integrate model components and wire the text path to image latents. Load the UNet, scheduler, V, and text encoder via diffusers. Use FP16 to save memory if supported. Tokenize prompts and run the text encoder to get embeddings, then condition the UNet during the denoising loop. Implement seed control, classifier-free guidance, and choose time steps. These control image quality and diversity. Make sure to test a single forward pass before full sampling to catch shape or D-type mismatches. Finish by decoding latents, converting to image tensors, then saving as PNG or JPEG. Once you can produce one image, add batching, prompt templates, and wrap the pipeline in a small API or CLI for reproducible runs. Optimize with mixed precision and attention slicing if memory is tight. If things go wrong, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Verify device placement and D-types across text encoder, UNet, and V. Mismatched devices, or FP16 on CPU, are the most common failures and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.